Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Bake Up Sim. Today we are going to learn how to make cola cake, also known as chocolate cake. This is one of my favorite cakes because this was the cake that I've made 8 years back, and all over the time I have baked it again and again, and yet it is every time so delicious. So first let's look at the ingredients. First of all, we need 250 grams of maida sifted, 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 125 grams of butter at room temperature. Butter can be salted or unsalted as per your wish. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 tin of condensed milk or milk made, that is approximately 400 grams, and 250 ml of Coke. In a big bowl, first we are going to cream butter and condensed milk. First of all, we'll add butter to it. We always have to take butter at room temperature. To the butter we will add now condensed milk, and we are going to mix them all together. We can use hand whisk, hand mixer or blender, whichever you have it. Also we can use. Make sure to scrape up all of the condensed milk out of the tin, but don't use your hands for that, as you're going to hurt your fingers with that. Now we are going to mix it thoroughly until the mixture becomes really fluffy and it comes together, and butter comes together with the condensed milk. Once butter and condensed milk are whisked together properly, we are going to sift the maida in another bowl, and to maida we are going to add the cocoa powder. We have sieved the ingredients already, so I'm adding as it is. And to them we are going to add baking powder and baking soda together, and we are going to give it a little mix just to mix all the ingredients, all the dry ingredients together. We are always going to mix the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients in separate bowls, and we will mix them together later on. Now we are going to add cola and the dry ingredients to the butter and condensed milk one by one, spoon by spoon, because we are not going to mix it all together. Slowly and steadily we are going to add 1 spoon of the dry ingredients and then a little of cola at a time. Prefer mixing it in batches of 4 to 5, as it will not leave your batter lumpy and the mixture won't curdle. Make sure to mix your ingredients very thoroughly, and once it is all mixed up, we are going to add vanilla essence. Once our batter is properly mixed up, we are going to line a 9-inch tin with the butter paper or the parchment paper. We can also use foil paper if you have that at home. We are going to tap our tin on the table for at least 3 to 4 times to pop out all the bubbles, air bubbles formed. We are going to preheat the oven at 180 degrees for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we are going to place our tin in the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes. Once when the cake is done, it looks like this. Just look at the texture. It's so spongy, so soft, just like a pillow. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope you liked the video. Please drop a comment in the comment section if you have any queries. And also follow my page on Instagram and Facebook, Bake Up Sim.